Dude, teriyaki, it's a guilty pleasure. I don't do it enough, but I love teriyaki sauce. So today, I'm gonna show you a good one, but first.
A good one.
My name is CJ, this is CJ's first cooking show. Right over there is Nate.
Terry Bradshaw.
Right over there is Ethan,
Terry
and right
Gross.
over there is Fugazi, a figment of your imagination.
Fairy dust, it doesn't exist.
This is, you could call it by a rose by any other name, would still smell so sweet.
Yeah, but every
Teriyaki
rose
chicken
has its
sandwich,
thorn.
or a Maui Waui chicken sandwich. I saw somebody.
Wowie!
Wowie. How would
You went walking?
how would Christopher Walken?
Wowie.
It's Maui. Do you put the emphasis on the Maui or the Wowie?
Ladies and gentlemen, Foo Fighters.
Okay.
Guys, welcome to the show. Interactive television. Every time the bell rings, we take a sip. We will see you in the islands.
6.5 seconds.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Now you could go a couple different routes with your chicken. You could go chicken cutlets.
You could go with this, or
You could go with that.
I'm in a walking mood, buddy.
Well, okay.
I mean, these boots are made for walking.
And that's just what they'll do.
Oh,
I can't help it.
You can't
I can't
stop
help
yourself
it.
right now, dude. Because the music video,
Yeah, I
was
know.
like, what are you talking about walking? But he dances for like 4 or 5 minutes
It's the
straight
same dance that he does
in everything. But
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say.
I totally approve of that message.
Me too.
So you can do a couple options. You could do chicken thighs, which I'm doing right now, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Or you could do chicken cutlets. Or you could do a giant chicken
You know what?
breast, but I don't
haven't
recommend
done
it.
cutlets in a long time. You used to be the cutlet king.
The Cutlet King of
The king
Chicago.
of New York.
No, it's
Dude.
Chicago.
No, I was doing more walking.
Oh, wow, man.
Lying.
Are you suggesting that I'm not who I say I am?
I've got my Blackstone. I had it on, actually it was like medium earlier and turned it down to low, but I just cranked it back up to the medium persuasion. We're gonna, little side note.
Yeah?
I season the top, then I come back
Oh.
and season over here. That way you can move along quicker whenever you're making, whenever you're
You
making
get-
videos.
Seasoning all over your griddle.
Oh, right.
I'm just kidding.
It's
I'm
part
a
of the
fan.
flavor.
Yeah, you rub it around and
You get all
Season
kinds
all
of
up.
taste. Oh, look at that.
I don't like it.
You love it. You're just jealous.
I
Little
don't
garlic
have an
powder,
assistant.
salt, pepper. This is gonna create a delicious crust. Oh, wow. I don't even have to set it down. It just gets set down for me.
Don't
Come on back over here.
Like it.
I've got some coleslaw here, pre-made, pre-shredded, all the things. You could go get your own red cabbage. You could get your
Oh,
green
man.
cabbage, and you know.
If you're cooking for 35 people.
True, because it's so
left
much.
over.
And
yeah.
how often do you actually reuse all of that leftover slaw?
Small hands.
Smell like cabbage.
Carnies.
What?
Circus folk. Nomads, you know.
Also got some champagne vinegar here.
Champagne.
Champagne.
Yeah.
Shut up!
Oh, wow.
I swear, guys, we do not plan this. This is insane.
To what serendipitous opportunity.
Here's a little fun fact here.
Yeah.
Gonna add some sweetness
This is a weird one. This
to
is
our
weird.
little vinegar bite there.
I'm
that
trusting
brightness.
you because you always make it always turns out great.
Absolutely, it
Trust
does.
the process.
You know what? I was
What?
just gonna do sesame seeds, but check this out. I just made a little pivot. Gonna add some of my island stir fry.
You like how he said pivot, Ethan, when he meant I saw it and forgot I was going to use that instead?
Sure. I meant to put the chicken on the Blackstone with one side seasoned.
No, you
I
didn't.
meant to use sesame seeds, but then I saw this, so I decided to use it instead. Oh, I'm also gonna do a pinch of pepper here.
Okay.
What do you mean, okay?
No, I'm okay.
No,
I wasn't-
I'm okay.
I know you're okay. That's why I said it.
I like to party.
No, I know for a fact you do not party.
Yeah, just Rod.
Yes.
And me.
No.
I'm not quick pickling as much as I have in the past. I want to keep some bite to this.
No mayo or anything, right? No
No
bun
mayo. Oh, and that's another thing. 2 thoughts.
Yeah?
What do you do with your slaw? Are you a mayo-based slaw?
Light mayo,
Or
more mustard. Just light mayo, just as a binder.
Man, I don't know that I can handle. I just don't like mayo in my slaw.
Yeah, okay. To each their own.
And this is my own. Maui Waui. You gotta have the Mao and the Wow.
You put the emphasis on the wrong syllable.
Did I though?
Maui Waui.
Maui.
Maui Waui.
Maui's all wrong.
You're talking to my guy all wrong. It's wrong tone.
Good.
Thank you, sir. I think this is the Waui that comes into play here. I've got some Dukes Mayo. Use whatever mayo you like.
Dukes Maui.
Dukes
Mayo.
Dukes Mayo is delicious,
Creamy.
but you gotta add a little heat to mayo. So you got some Sriracha or Sriracha.
Sriracha.
Gonna do a little bit of heat here. You could just stop right there. You could stop right there.
Which is spicy mayo that they put on your sushi.
That's right. You could stop right there. But we're gonna also compound some flavors.
Like
got
it.
a little bit of island stir fry.
Like a compound.
You like to compound the
I like
flavors?
the compound.
Okay. Oh, dude.
What?
Lightning struck my brain. Again, another pivot. Wasn't planning it. Similar to the island stir fry. Yep.
Oh, it's syrupy?
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be some of that sweet.
Yep.
That's also gonna thin it
I'm a
out.
fan of that.
Look at that.
So you got the sweet.
You got some
what
heat.
do you call it? The
The Waui.
The Waui.
This is the Waui.
Wowie.
Wowie. You're coming at me all wrong.
It was sauce. Now it's wow.
Let's see how we did here. Wowie.
Yeah. I knew this guy. Wait a minute.
Let's see if it works every time.
Maui.
There it is. There it is. It's happening.
Did you use island stir fry?
I did. Yeah, you gotta like.
Not enough, apparently.
Apparently not enough.
Didn't have enough wow.
Oh wow, a little less mow.
Okay, we're good.
Now we're back in business,
Yes.
huh?
I was just,
All right, here we go. Pineapple. It's part. Oh, you know what? Let's just
You
involve
take the
some
core
core.
out?
We'll involve some core and get rid of it.
Oh, have you seen that clip? I think it's on MasterChef or a beginner one, but the girl's cutting an avocado and she's cutting like I don't know how she did it
Through the seed?
through the pit.
Yeah.
No idea it'd be so hard trying to cut the avocado. And then I see this thing in the middle, and I'm not sure if you're supposed to keep that or toss it.
She needs a little more wow and a little less mow. Dude, we're done for a minute.
Oh, you're doing a ring. You're truly doing it Todd Tobin style.
Is it Todd Tobin style?
Oh, you know it is, you little turkey.
Little turkey.
Let's ring it and bring it. We'll be back in a few minutes. Got a lot going on here. Oh my gosh. Wow. We've had a few minutes here. I'd say like what, 3-4 minutes? Oh dude.
Trace
Look at that.
minutes on the pollo.
We've got that. Oh yes, sir. I love the crust. The texture is money.
Got
all
crust for days.
the day.
Her legs went on for days.
Can add a little bit.
Oh, are you seasoning the
I am gonna.
Fruit?
I'm gonna see.
fruit?
The fruit.
Fruit, yeah.
A little bit of pepper here,
Okay.
and let's go.
Let's
Over
go.
here. Let's go straight down. Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
Fruit. Okay, let's go.
Uh-huh.
That's pretty good.
Thank you, sir.
I haven't seen an OK Go video in a long time.
Dude, it's been a hot minute.
They're good.
That one where they were on the treadmill,
Oh, legendary.
that was a great one. Yeah, we're gonna need a few minutes. When we come back, the chicken will be done. No, it won't,
No?
because I'm gonna have to glaze it. But I
Oh.
still need to cook this for a minute.
Okay.
I didn't put my teriyaki on yet.
Oh.
Pro move, don't do it right now.
TF Chang's.
It'll burn.
Will burn.
It'll burn. Ruin your sandwich for everyone. No more wow.
No more
Much
mouth.
less mow.
There he is, beating that dead horse.
Dude, our chicken is almost done, which means it's about time to glaze. But before we do, let's move our pineapples and put our buns down to get a nice little toast, because it can help with the integrity.
Toasty fruit, toasty bread,
That's-
toasty chicken.
Toasty.
So toasty.
So toasty. We gotta glaze, my friends. Get whatever teriyaki sauce that you want and let the glazing process
You're not afraid
begin.
it's gonna burn?
No,
the
it will
sugar?
burn just a little bit, but that's why we're doing it here at the very end. It's now building. You got your bottom bun, all that special sauce. Go ahead and put some sauce on the top bun as well. Let's do, let's go ahead and do our chicken first.
Dang,
Then,
look how shiny.
Bro, the gloss
He's
is
so
it's pretty
shiny.
amazing. He's so shiny. It's talking to me all wrong. It's about my shine. Got your pineapple. Of course, we got all of our slaw, and then crown it, buddy. Dude. It's definitely Maui. It's definitely
I'm
Wowie.
anxious to see how sweet this is.
Well, we have sweet components, but we also have acidic components, and then the heat and the creaminess
All
from
right.
that sauce.
Let's
I
see.
think we're gonna be good. We've got the creamy and the heat. We've got the sweetness. We've got the textures. We've got all kinds of things, dude. This is a beauty. Should I cut it in half?
I don't know. It is a beauty. I mean,
let's cut it.
A second ago, it's so shiny.
It's so shiny.
Whoa,
dude.
Come on now.
This is gonna be.
What was that? A brioche bun? Like a soft bun?
Yeah.
That's a good move because if you have like ciabatta or like a harder roll, when you take a bite, like all the chicken shoots out.
The rotation. All right, let's see how we do.
Whoa, the sharp teeth.
His teeth sharpen themselves to a point.
Wow.
Wowie?
Wow, yeah. It has all the components. The crunch from that slaw.
Yeah.
Because it wasn't
not too sweet.
Not too sweet. It's got the good acidity. The pineapple has the sweetness. Of course, it gets sweeter as you caramelize it. I think this is a winner.
Yeah.
Let me know how much. Wow. In the Mao did I do? Would you make it? Would you try it? What did I do wrong? What did I do right?
Huh?
Tell me everything. Give it to me straight. Give it to me straight. You know how it goes up and down.
Good, yeah.
But speaking of comments, my friends, it is time for CJ's favorite comments.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the segment of the show where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers. If you guys write it.
We read it.
That's right, but can we pause for a second?
Sure.
Dude, how good was that sandwich?
So good.
It
we
was...
saw off camera. It was balanced.
Dude, it was enough to make me switch
salty.
straight over to the dark side.
Speaking of dark side, hey CJ, did you know?
You got him.
Did you know that originally Yoda was going to be played by a monkey in a mask with a cane?
No.
But somebody who worked on Planet of the Apes or 2001: A
true?
Space Odyssey mentioned that it was a really big hassle to use real live monkeys in a movie set, so they ended up scrapping that whole idea, which I'll show you the pictures. It was kind of a good idea to scrap it.
Yeah, it sounds like a good idea immediately to scrap that. Interesting fact, wow.
Yeah.
Good call, George. Glad you didn't go down that road. Although with...
Don't. I like the first three.
Yeah, but the...
It's coarse and rough and irritating, and it gets everywhere.
So starting from the top in no particular order, this is from Donovan Humpy.
Hey, Donovan. Dono.
Old Dono. We'll see how we feel about Dono after this one. I can't tell if this is cringe, corny, or if it's just bad acting.
No.
Nah, dude.
Okay.
Nah, dude.
Could be cringe. I don't think it's corny. And it's certainly not acting, because we don't plan, like, we just go with it. So
yeah, we don't think, we just do.
This is from Goo.
Oh, I know.
What?
Lamb Butler.
Oh. Goo
Yeah,
Lamb Butler?
Goo Lamb Butler.
Okay.
Says, the movie scenes you put in suck.
the scenes we picked.
So that was my question. So would you have chosen different scenes? To which this individual said, no scenes.
Much fear I sense in you.
Okay.
Did we just go from walking to Yoda?
All right, this next one is from Bills Fan 86.
Hey,
All right,
Bills
we
fan.
got a little hate out of the way. Let's get some love.
Okay.
Come on back now. Here we go. Just when I think you couldn't get any dumber, you go off and do something like that. And totally redeem yourself.
Nice.
Wife from Cali, but I saved her and brought her to the East Coast. She misses the overhyped In-N-Out, but I was notified as soon as your video hit and gave it a shot tonight. She said, tastes just like home.
Wow.
Thanks, bro. I get to sleep inside tonight.
Nice. It works.
I am a fan of that. So, Bills fan. Okay, this one is from I'm Not Andrew.
Neither am I, apparently.
Who said that?
I didn't hear anybody. This is not the Andrew you're looking for. The bun should have been mustard fried. Okay, hold on. Before I go into this.
Hold on.
This was a controversial moment. They were saying that I did the In-N-Out burger wrong.
Slightly wrong. But you caught yourself.
Well, but no, that's not even what they were talking about.
Oh.
Here's what they said. The bun should have been mustard fried on the griddle rather than the patty.
Wrong.
What a disgrace to In-N-Out, sad
No way.
face. Just saying, better
Whoa,
luck
whoa, whoa,
next
whoa.
time, dude bro.
Is that true?
No. He's wrong.
Wrong you are. Go back to In-N-Out Burger, you should.
Yeah, sorry, dude. And so then
The bun would get just soggy.
directly underneath it, I said, did I just screw up? Dang. And then somebody came to, actually, Paul Paba. Yeah, sure, sorry.
Paul Bunyan.
Paul, yeah, says, mustard goes on the patty, not the bun, bud.
Thanks, bud.
But let me know in the comments, was I wrong? Was he right? Was he wrong and I right?
I don't know.
I don't know, but I think I was right.
You're talking to me all wrong.
Bad.
All right, and let's wrap this one up with a little hate.
Oh no.
This is on Rumble. It says, I like the cooking video, not the BS videos that are not funny and take away from what you are cooking. You keep doing what you're doing because you must think it's working. I am one of 3 comments on this video. I love the new Blackstone ideas, but this stupid, dumb video suck.
Jeez.
Are not funny, but like I said, annoying.
That's just like attacking.
Very, very much attacking. And this is from RW13.
My family. My family.
My family you're talking about.
I thought I told you, buddy. Nobody wants you around.
And just like that, we wrap up an episode of CJ's First Cooking Show. There was a lot of Mao and a lot of wow.
Wowie.
Wowie. Wowie. Gotta tell you. Seriously delicious sandwich. A lot of walking, a lot of Yoda. I would try to do Christopher Walken
As
in the Yoda, but it's really tough.
Luke Skywalker. Skywalker.
The droids you're looking for.
I would love.
We don't serve your kind here.
I would love to watch that.
If somebody make it, do it, please. But in the meantime, let me know if you want to put something on the OG board. It is filling up. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa, Monroe's.
Monroe.
Sorry. Monroe's. You're falling all wrong. But go to blackstoneproducts.com, go to griddlenation.com. But in the meantime, this is CJ's First Cooking Show where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right. We'll see you guys later.
We quote.
Do we quote?
We quote and hang out with friends.
The friends and the quoting. The pineapple. Wow.